Today is National Replace the Refrigerator Day. The wonderful delivery people at Home Depot was delivering me a defective refrigerator. And then they left as though it was perfect condition. So I had to tell them, hey, this isn't quite right. I need a new refrigerator. And it's only been about 3 days since getting a new refrigerator. So now I have to take all the food from this big refrigerator and stuff it into this little refrigerator. Pray I don't get sick from food that's not kept at temperature.
Back over there.
Honey. Big one there, Dad?
So he was missing the little feet things.
Easy fix. Oh well, you got a new one now.
You ready? I'm ready.
Ready?
Well, thank you guys.
You're welcome. Y'all have a great day. All right.
It's cheaper.
Alrighty. Thank y'all. We're
Thank
gonna
you.
give you a call about a survey. If you can give us all files, that'd be appreciated.
Oh, that'd be great.
Alright, thank you. Y'all have a good one.
You too.
You said forget ask for a good one. You said all fives, huh?
I don't think you really know the words, but Aaron, what are you talking about?